if your account is very new and you probably don't feel so confident, you can actually do so by simply ticking this and not allowing the Instagram to show the view counts and the likes. Also, accessibility. If you have a video with captions, if you have a video with someone speaking, it's very important to add captions, and you want to make sure that you allow Instagram to automatically add captions to your videos. So this will make it much more accessible, especially for people who are, checking from time to time Instagram Reels, but they're simply at work and they cannot actually play sound, but they will be able to understand what is the video about. Next thing, of course, you're able to download your Reels. It is very important because some people, just like the functionality and the options and the filters, how they can actually edit the reel, and some of the people simply download the already edited reel and they publish the reel elsewhere. They want to publish it on Twitter, on Facebook, on TikTok. So you can do so, and you can set this automatically. And it is very important that if you have this option on, you will allow people to download your reel, and they will be able to do remix, or they will be able essentially to invite you to collaboration. This is very important if you are interested into this. If you are not into collaborations, if you feel hesitant to share your content and allow other people to download the content and to create a new content out of your content, you simply can toggle this off. Toggle this off, you get notification from Reels that it will affect the Reels that you already published. This means that if you already created some Reels, right, this will be a general setting that will impact everything, every piece of content. It will not start from now towards the future, but it will go back to the past, to the first video or reel that you created. Also, the last thing that is very important is the upload at the highest quality.